Divide 25y squared minus 1 over 9y squared minus 6y divided by the quotient of 5y squared plus 9y minus 2 over 3y squared plus y minus 2. Well, when we are dividing rational expressions, we change the operation to multiplication and we multiply by the reciprocal of the second rational expression. So this is equal to 25y squared minus 1 over 9y squared minus 6y times the rational expression. We take the reciprocal, 3y squared plus y minus 2 over 5y squared plus 9y minus 2. Well, now we multiply two rational expressions, which remember that means we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. However, before we carry out the multiplication, we factor the numerator, we factor the denominator, and then look to remove factors of 1. So, let me, at the same time that I multiply the numerators together, factor them. So I have 5y plus 1 times 5y minus 1. And that's because this is the difference of two squares. Here we have a trinomial, and the way we factor that is 3y minus 2 times y plus 1. That's the numerator. Our denominator, we factor 9y squared minus 6y. We can factor out a common factor of 3y. And inside the parentheses, we would have 3y minus 2. Factoring this trinomial, it factors as 5y minus 1 times y plus 2. And now we look for the removal of factors of 1. We can see that 5y minus 1 and 5y minus 1 can be removed, but we also have 3y minus 2 and 3y minus 2, another factor of 1 that can be removed. Those are the only factors of 1 that can be removed, and so we write our final answer, 5y plus 1 times y plus 1 over 3y times y plus 2.